Hello everyone, my name is Evan. Today I'm so excited to introduce how easy it is to replace the laser head on the new Nova Plus machines. Like this, it is a very important feature highlights that the flexibility and the user-friendly on the new Nova Plus machines. Let's get started. Let's get a quick overview of the Nova Plus laser head system. This model introduced 4 different lens tube sizes: 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch, and 4 inch, all while maintaining a consistent 6 mm distance from the cone head to the different materials. As you can see, the laser head is our standard 2.5 inch laser head. I'm going to replace it with the 4 inch laser head. Here's how you can do it. The first step is to lower the platform to create enough space for disassembly and replacement. The second step is to disconnect the air pipe by gently pulling it out. The third, loosen the brass screw and remove the focus lens tube by turning it counterclockwise. Separate the lens barrel from the focus lens tube. Align the thread and securely lock the two parts together. Reassemble the entire laser head. Positioning the laser lens barrel according to the correct orientation and fix it in place until it reaches to the rubber ring. Tighten the brass screw and reconnect the air pipe. So the replacement for the 1.5 and 2.0 inch lenses are the same. Besides, the 2.5 and 4.0 lenses can be disassembled to shorten the length of the tube and be able to process the concave products. That's it. So replacing the laser head on the new Nova Plus is so easy. Thanks to the thoughtful engineering behind of this design. If you have any question on this process or Nova Plus, just feel free to reach out to our team. We are always here with you. Thank you for watching today, and we can't wait to see what you can create with the Nova Plus. Thank you very much.